Safety recall campaigns are a great way to boost revenue when business slows down. My name is Fred and I'm a product marketing manager at Kimoby, and I'll show you how to get started with your recall campaign. Usually, manufacturers will provide dealerships with lists of VINs for cars under a recall. The first step in building a recall campaign in Kimoby will be to match the VINs provided by the manufacturer to the VINs linked to specific customers in the Kimoby app. This is called data matching. This way, we can easily identify the owner of a car subject to recall and target them in a campaign. It may sound like a complex operation, but it's actually really easy. Let's get started. Make sure that you have the VIN list your manufacturer has provided you. Once you have it, start by clicking on your name at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Data Matching, and then click on New Data Matching. Drag your file or click on Browse Your Files to upload your list in Kimoby. Wait until your file is green, and then you can click on Create Match. Select the value you want to match to the customers. In this case, we want to match VINs, so select the VIN column of your document. Don't forget to check this box here if your VIN column has a name on top. Select the corresponding value you want to match your VINs to within Kimoby. In this case, we'll select Event, RO Closed, Vehicle VIN. So you have to go all the way to the bottom, and here it is. The reason we're picking this one is that it usually has the most updated information. Therefore, it's likely to be the most trustworthy source. If you have the full VIN, select Contains Exact Value. If you only have part of the VIN, select Contains Part of the Value. You can finish by clicking on Match at the bottom. The longer your list, the longer the matching process can be. Expect at least a few minutes before the process is complete. Once the match is complete, click on Create Group for matching. Give the newly created group a name you'll recognize, and we'll call this one Winter Recall 2022. And once we're done with the matching process and have created group out of VIN matches, it's time to start our campaign. So we'll click on Create Campaign, and we'll give that one the same name. So we'll call it Winter Recall 2022. And the first thing we do is we'll select the group that we've just created. So we'll make sure that the Winter Recall 2022 is selected. We'll assign customer replies to a team or a user of choice, and here we'll assign it to the BDC appointment team. And it's now time to craft our message, and you can customize the message however you like using custom attributes, links, emojis, and much more. But in this case, we'll be using saved replies. So I'll just pull out the latest recall saved reply, and you can have a look at the message preview here. We also recommend sending a test message to yourself just so you can have a look at what it's going to look like. And lastly, it's time to schedule our campaign. So we'll send this one on January 17th at 10 a.m. And we'll click the terms and condition box, and voila, your campaign is now scheduled. If you have any questions, you can always contact our support team or have a look at articles in our help center.